Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find deleted notes in OneNote. If you've accidentally removed important pages from your notebook, this quick process will help you recover them through OneNote's built-in Recycle Bin feature. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you're in, give it a moment to fully load all your sections and pages. This ensures that all your notebook data is properly synced and ready to work with. Now, to find deleted notes in OneNote, the process is pretty straightforward. Look at the top part of your screen where all the tools and ribbons are located. You'll see various menu options that control different aspects of your notebook. From this list of menus, click on History. This tab is specifically designed to help you track changes and recover deleted content. Under the History menu, you'll see the Notebook Recycle Bin option. Click on the drop-down arrow next to it, and the option will expand to show you more choices. This recycle bin works similarly to your computer's recycle bin, temporarily storing deleted items before they're permanently removed. From the expanded options, click on Notebook Recycle Bin. This is where OneNote stores all the pages you've deleted from your notebook. Once you click it, you'll notice a new Deleted Notes section appear under your section tabs on the left navigation panel. This section is temporarily added to give you access to your removed content. Click on Deleted Pages, and you'll see the list of all the deleted pages that have been removed from your notebook. Each page will be displayed with its original name, making it easy to identify what you're looking for. From here, you can preview any page to make sure it's the one you need before restoring it. And that's it. You now have access to all your deleted notes in OneNote. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.